We have one final trader to get to, pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist for bullseyeoption.com, here with his take on the market action. Hello to you, Alan.
Hello, Angie. Another somewhat quiet week as we try to figure out what the government's going to do next, but that's now behind us for a little bit. But we did see mixed market action. So we had positive tech stocks, negative S&P and Dow, but that's a start of something, hopefully, for the bulls.
Why do you think the bulls could potentially gain traction in the stock market?
All right, I'm a technician. I keep track of what the price is doing, what the charts are doing. That's what I focus on. And what I've seen here is the NASDAQ has filled in a gap that we had up above back in the 20th and 21st of September. So that's a positive sign. Now, we're waiting to see if the S&P can do the same. So the S&P has that gap at that 4,400 level that if it fills that back in, that can be a very positive sign.
Tell us about your new trade and how it's connected to the moves in crude oil.
All right, let's talk crude oil. Crude oil is the story. Continues to hold strong at this $90 barrel level. And what we're seeing is crude oil stocks still have a very low PE, meaning they're cheap in relative terms. The PE on British Petroleum right now sits at 5, whereas the S&P itself is at 18.
What else made you choose BP for your next play?
All right, the positive price action. We've done BP before, done very well in the past. What we're looking at here is the fact that it's been trading between 30 and 40 for 1 year. So it's got a 35 midpoint, and it's been between 35, that midpoint support, and 40 2023. So a breakout of this range targets 45, and we're also seeing bullish leverage buying in this stock as a positive sign as well.
What's your call option strategy on this one, Alan?
All right, the way to play, I'm looking at an April option. Yes, April, because volatility is low, options are cheap. So the April option only costs $50 more than the January option. So April option has 7 months of time. It's trading for about 5 right now with the stock at 39 or so. So it's $4 in the money. Like I said, 7 months of time. Any breakout of this 40 level sends it to 45. And if we get to 45, this option gains 100%.
Alan, you have plenty of time for BP to get to $45. We shall see if that happens. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.